Then here we have your Truma control panel. So you have this dial, which is also a select button and a back button. So we'll press in. First up, we have the caravan slash motorhome with the thermometer in it. This is for the internal temperature that you desire. It goes up to a maximum of 30. And then to select the heat, you press in. Now what happens is you have a series of vents across the caravan that are going to push out that hot air. Next to that, just going to press in again. There we go. Okay, next to that we have water temperature. It's either off, eco, which is going to get it to around about 40 degrees, hot, which is going to get it to about 60, or boost. Now what boost does, it prioritizes heating the boiler over heating the actual caravan itself, and that lasts for about 30 minutes. After those 30 minutes, it's going to drop it back down to eco. You can see when I don't select though, it's not going to come up on that top line. Next to that, we have energy source. So we can either have gas and 1 kilowatt, gas and 2 kilowatt, strictly electric with 1, or strictly electric with 2. So you've got the choice of gas, mains, or both. Then we have fan speed. So it's either eco or high. Eco is nice and steady. High is a lot more vigorous. However, if it's a ridiculously hot day like it is today, and you don't want the heating on, so let's turn that completely off and we go back over to the fan. You either have off or vent. Now what vent does, it circulates the air across the caravan. These vents are just going to push air with no temperature to it. So you can have all your windows open and bring through some nice fresh air. Then we're on to the bottom row. So first up we have a timer where you first input the start time, then finish time, hours then minutes, hours then minutes. For the heating and hot water. You have the time, so you just select the correct time. It is on this one 24-hour clock, and then you have settings. Offset, temperature, brightness, 12 or 24-hour clock, language, index and reset. Now I'm not going to run through this as we've set this to what we believe the most user-friendly panel to use. However, if you'd like to have a look inside your book packs, then please do so. Now, this screen is naturally going to fade to green when not interacted with a little bit of time. However, it will still display the time. But when you do shut down the van, make sure you completely turn this off, and you do that by pressing and holding in, because otherwise you can get an error code for improper shutdown, which takes 15 minutes to clear. So that's how you use that control panel.